Happy New Year everyone, welcome to 2018. I have plenty on the fire cooking up for you, my viewers. This year, I'll be doing cooking series, vlogs, and how-to videos. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Javon, aka Chef Java. It's a pleasure to meet you. Born and raised on the island of Jamaica, where I made spice my life. My goal is to bring phenomenal food to your plate. Watch my videos as we go on this journey. Your feedback is so valuable to me, so please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at Chef Java. Ready to get started? Come into my kitchen.